Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add parts in assembly. Okay, for example, I will create new files, click assembly, and okay. We are waiting to open into assembly drawing view. Now, if you want to add part into this assembly, you can click this icon assembly and search for your part. For example, I will click this part, click open, and it will be automatically show in your drawing area. Click OK to apply. You also can hide for these plans. You can click in these points and uncheck for select all. Okay, to add part again, click assembly tools in here, and I will add this part 3. Click open, click OK. Now if you want to go into placement in this assembly, you can select the part. I will select this part, click these icons, edit definitions, and it will also automatically move into placement tab. So you can move the object by using the constraints. If you're done, click OK. Okay, that's it. How to add parts in assembly. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.